This is Brian. This is more Waterfall 101, June 24th, 2019, part 6. So Waterfall 101, more Waterfall 101, part 6. Here we go. This is the back of the house. This is the path to the waterfall, or to happiness, I guess, right? This is the bridge. It actually runs all the way back, like I showed you previously. We've got some hoses in the way, but this is it. Okay. A few cars back there too. Okay, here we go. This is the dry riverbed. Goes that back around the trampoline, past the pine trees. I actually put some acrylic wet look on the rocks in the bottom of the dry riverbed. It kind of makes the rocks pop. A little bit the colors pop. Not literally pop, but the colors kind of, the grays and the reds and the stuff stay kind of darker. If you don't do that, they look a little bit lighter. Okay? This is the dry riverbed. Coming up here, this is the view that you get coming around the corner here. Minus the hose, I guess. And the Honda. Okay, here we go. Walking up to the, really pretty. Put down all the lime pines the last couple weeks. This is the waterfall. Look at the waterfall here. There's Sarah up there. Say hi, hello. She's still moving rocks. Looking good up there, moving rocks. There's the waterfall. We found a couple little bushes, and we strategically placed some squirrels. You can see the squirrels. Down there too, you can't really see them very well, but okay, waterfall. There's a bush there. Waterfall's looking good. It's a little foamy. We ordered some defoamer. It's supposed to work really nicely, so that'll look good. We got some lights to put in there. I'll put those in there tonight. I'll give you part 7 of the video as well. So there's the waterfall. That's awesome. Smoke tree and red-tailed dogwood up here. Squirrel. They're going to get pretty big because we'll try to manage the cars so that you won't see them in the background. So, we're going to be having a wedding on July 6th, or a wedding reception at least, for my boy Ethan and Lania. Okay, there it is again. Looks really awesome. Okay. There's the view that way. Straight. Got a couple more edging boards to put in. That's Trex decking. We're edging that, so we'll finish that up. The stairs went in real nicely. Everything went in real nicely. I'll get this thing lit up tonight, and I'll see you then. Have a nice day.